Both her parents came from a small town in Poland called Końsk, and they both came separately. They ended up going to Łódź because Łódź was the big manufacturing city of the time. And her parents, though they were both from the same village, the same shtetl, they actually didn't, I don't think, they may have known each other, but they didn't marry till they got to Łódź. So and my mother, when she was young, she went back to Końsk a lot to visit her relatives, and she has wonderful memoirs about those visits. And her book, Bochani, is based on her recollections of those visits. She came from, on both sides, very religious people, like very, very Orthodox, Jewish, pious Jews. But both her parents rebelled against that, and when they were in Łódź, they became Bundists, and they stopped adhering to religious customs. But my mother's mother, my grandmother, her father, once he heard that she had become an atheist and a Bundist, he came after her and he hit her with a stick on her head, on the back of her head, and where he hit her, the hair never grew back. So I know this story also from my mother's memoirs. But yeah, it was for the parents of my grandparents, it was a terrible thing that they left the sind abgefallen von richtigen Weg. So it was hard for them.